Hello, Grandmasters. Michael Murray. I'm going to make a quick video for some of my students that I see one-on-one who are using chesskid.com. And here, I just want to make sure all of you understand that anytime you click the home button, this is what you're going to see. And I want to make sure that you're able to solve Checkmate in 1 and Checkmate in 2 puzzles. And in order to do that on Chesskid, it's pretty simple. You just have to come to here where it says puzzles and double click. So if you're on an iPad, I'm pretty sure it's the same. You can just tap with your finger. But if you hit that twice, you're going to get this section here that says themes. And themes are basically just parts of chess that repeat themselves a lot, like sacrificing a piece could be a theme, giving away your queen for a rook, for example, or the theme of defense. If I'm attacking one of your pieces, then one of the ideas would be, well, get yourself out of trouble. The theme that I want you to concentrate on is solving checkmate in 1 move or 2 moves. Let me show you. If you click this theme section, you get to scroll down. And here where you see mate in 1, that basically means checkmate in 1. Mate is just a shortcut for checkmate. So when you click that on, you get a puzzle. And let me just adjust the screen. You should be able to see a chessboard here. And what I'm going to do is just shorten the video frame so it looks nicer for you. But remember, you're going to see the whole site. Okay, what color are you playing? Well, I covered it, but it tells you your move as black. But even if you couldn't see that, always look at the lower left-hand corner. If it says H8, you're playing black. If it says A1, you're playing white. Okay, take a look at the position. You're black. How do you checkmate this king in 1 move? The answer? I don't know. Good luck. The first move that I saw was rook here. I wanted to play that rook move thinking, wow, I've checkmated the king. There's a problem with that move. If I put the rook here, yeah, it's check. And the king can't take my rook. Well, what's the problem then? Can he come here? No, we have a beautiful pawn guarding that square. Nice. Can he come here? No, there's a pawn here guarding that square. So what's wrong with rook here? The king will take your knight. Aha. So where's the checkmate? It has to be with this knight. The answer? Checkmate. Now, let me show you what I see. This is exactly what you will see. It says solved. Click next. This is mate in 1 move. What color am I playing? It tells you white. What's the other trick? Lower left-hand corner is A1. I'm playing white. Well, if I'm doing a checkmate puzzle, then it's always going to be this king. I'm going for the other team's king. Checkmate. You cannot checkmate a pawn or a bishop. You can only checkmate a king. All right. Now, once you know which king you're looking for, then you have to ask a very simple question. What pieces do I have that can help me accomplish my goal? What is my goal? Checkmate the king. Well, I know I can't checkmate with this bishop because the king is on the opposite color. But look at my queen. Now, how can my queen, bishop, and maybe rook help the king get checkmated? This is the first move I looked at. Rook takes pawn. It's a very strong move, but it doesn't work because the king will escape here. I looked at queen takes pawn, but then the king could escape to the same square or even here. Then I discovered that the bishop and queen are both pointing at H8. Sure enough, that's the checkmate. Everybody see it? Checkmate. Let me do one more mate in one. Here, okay, what do I have working? I have a queen, a knight. How do I know I'm playing black? It says H8 at the bottom. There's my king. I want to check him, but I want to make sure he doesn't sneak out here. This is the first move I looked at. I just played it, but it's a mistake. Do you see how it says try again? Click retry, come back, and try again. Well, what's wrong if I put the queen here? Isn't it checkmate? No, it's not. The king can escape to this square here on E2. So then I realize my queen and my knight were attacking the F2 square or the pawn. So what did I do? Second time, simply take the pawn. Checkmate. You get good enough at mate in one, double click puzzles, go to themes, now try mate in two. How many should you do? I don't know, maybe spend 10 minutes on these before you play. All right, this is mate in two. Which color am I playing? I'm playing white. Aha, there's the king. How do I checkmate the king in two moves? Ah, this is tricky. This is a tricky puzzle. If I put the queen here, the king has no escape, except for one problem. The black queen will take me. So if I could find a way to get this queen to move away from that square, I could win the game. I found it. Can you? Look at this bishop. Check. He has to take. Checkmate. Beautiful. Warm up with some checkmates. When you have time, play. Let me open the board up for you and we'll end the video. Play. Don't just watch videos of me telling you do your puzzles. No, play some chess. Click play kid. Play kid. You have a chance to play a 5-minute game, a 10-minute game. I would say 10 minutes is pretty good. You could also play 15, as you can see down here. I would play a 10-minute game where each player gets 10 minutes to play and let it go. Remember, I get a chance to see the games that you play so that when we have our next lesson together, we can go over them, which is a great way to learn. All right, my friends, I have to go. I have to get a haircut. You all know that. And I will see you very shortly. Hope you have some fun on Chesskid. And we'll see you soon.